Hello, this is Eric Walmsley. We're going to be foundationing a brand new Nutanix cluster with the recently released VMware vSphere 7 hypervisor. We're already logged into Foundation and we're on step 1. Go ahead and on this screen fill in your IP information for your networks, for both the host CVMs and for the out-of-band management. Then go to the second page. And here, either auto-discover or add your nodes and add all their IP address information and host names that you want them to have. On step 3, give your cluster a name, set the time zone, identify the redundancy factor, set the IP address of the cluster, set the NTP information of your environment, your DNS information, and how much RAM you want your CVMs to have. On step 4, you must have at least AOS version 5.17.1 to install vSphere 7. Step 5 is selecting the hypervisor. You'll notice that we are using vSphere 7, the GA release. Input your out-of-band management information. Select the Start button down at the bottom. Confirm by hitting Proceed. Then allow Foundation to do its job. It's going to image the nodes with both the hypervisor, install AOS, and configure the cluster for you. It'll take anywhere between 15 and 30 minutes, depending on your networking resources and the number of nodes you have. And once Foundation is finished, you can click here to access Prism. It is a self-signed certificate the first time you go to it, so you'll have to accept. Then log into Prism. Set the password to something new. And then log in with the new password that you just set. Read and agree to the EULA. Hit accept. Leave Pulse enabled. And you are now logged into a brand new ESXi 7.0 GA cluster running Nutanix.